This time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing here is financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell securities. Trading involves risk. Consult with a licensed financial advisor or tax professional before making decisions. Thank you for watching, and most importantly, thank you for your support.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my fellow retail traders. I am your humble host, Bear Tamer, and I am live and direct. I am not live and direct, guys. I'm just kidding. This is a potential rocket video, guys. This is the fourth one for today. Today is January 28th, 2026, okay? This is going to be 4 out of 5. I know I said 6, but one was mentioned in the stream earlier, so you guys are already aware. We don't need to worry about that. This one is going to be number 4, guys. And this time, the ticker that we're going to be talking about with a high potential squeeze here, guys, is going to be ticker BATL, guys, Battalion Oil Corp. Okay, we're very familiar with this, right, members? Everyone should be familiar with this one by now. Obviously, it had that huge spike on that news where they ended their old contract with their provider and was able to secure a new oil contract with a new publicly traded company, big company. So that means revenue will start coming in for them. They'll be able to double the amount of barrels that they used to put out, so on and so on and so on. Again, I want to make these videos very quick so that way you can use more time to study and do due diligence, right? So let's get right into this. Right? Is the setup ready to go crazy? And guys, it already had some great moves, guys. We caught this in the low ones, sold in the 5s and the 6s and all that great stuff. It's pulled back to 2s, made another rip up to the 5s today as well, guys. Had a huge rip yesterday. So it's given us beautiful pullbacks, beautiful moves, guys. Definitely is. But is there more to it? I believe that there is, okay? What matters right now? The free float, guys, is between 14 and 16 million shares. In my humble opinion, I think it's the less, right? Short interest rate right now is 3.7 to 4%. Not so high, but the position matters, right? Because cost to borrow is 510%. Okay, that is extreme, all right? That is big, guys. All right. And most importantly, short shares available is 0, guys. There's no shares to short. Okay. So again, 0 borrow. They can't add to their positions. They can only cover. All right. Their cost to borrow is 510%. All right. Volume spike today, guys. I believe over 10 million today. All right. The float turned over 100% in one session, guys. All right. So clearly people are looking at this stock. Clearly they're paying attention. And as I said, since they have their new partnership, guys, they'll be able to generate far more revenue. Okay. Which should mean good prices for us. But with that type of setup, guys, it can mean a huge run. Right. And here's some of the news here. Natural gas price shocks winter storm. Fern drove U.S. natural gas futures plus 30%, guys. Okay, that's big. They're just in time with that news that they dropped last week. Okay, direct tailwind for upstream producers like BATL. Okay, so a lot of oil tickers are going to see some upside, guys, but this one is super primed. It's super ready to go. Okay, it hasn't had any bad news, no dilutions, no offerings, no nothing like that. So for me, I'm really loving it. Benzinga's reported on it, Reuters. So people are looking at it, okay? This is real news, not fake news, all right? Bottom line is the setup is primed for a volatile move. The fuel is there. The borrow is effectively gone. News and macro tailwinds aligns. And if shorts feel the pressure, covering gets expensive fast, guys, all right? This is not a squeeze by its short interest. Again, that's around 4%. However, that cost to borrow in the news makes it a pressure play, guys. So this thing definitely has potential. Right now, I think it's in the high threes, low four range right now. I definitely want to see if it tests that 5 and break that 5 to see if we can make our way to 6 and go beyond that. All right. So again, guys, please be on the lookout for this play. You should have it on your watch list right away. And yes, I'm going to be transparent with you guys. I own a position in this stock. That does not mean go ahead and buy. I don't care what my accuracy is. You know what I'm going to tell you next, right? I want you to do your due diligence, all right? Make sure that you love the stock. Make sure it aligns with you. Verify everything that I'm saying, guys, all right? And if you love it, then you do what you have to do. I have no time frame on this. It can be a day, it can be a week, it can be a month, it can be 6 months. I have no idea, but what I can say is I'm swinging it for sure for the potential opportunity for this thing to make a violent move to the upside, okay? So with that being said, guys, please, this is now ticker number 4 that I've shared with you guys, again, on January 28th. I think this play here has something special. We will have to wait and see. All right, guys, and with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one.